Hello, and welcome back to our Human Trafficking Awareness video series. This week our topic is the disproportionate number of Black and Indigenous women and girls who are impacted by human trafficking. This week's video is going to be split into two. Today we're going to focus on Black girls.
Last week we discussed how the media can influence our perception of victims. One way the media does this is by showing images of white girls as victims. Although white women and girls are victims of human trafficking, it is not the majority of who the victims are.
In King County, 84% of child sex trafficking victims are Black, while Black children and adults together only comprise 7% of the general population.
So why is this happening? To give you the short answer, racism. There are different attitudes and stereotypes about Black women and girls.
According to The Racial Roots of Human Trafficking by Cheryl Nelson Butler, kids of color are stereotyped as sexually aggressive, deviant, and predisposed towards risky behavior, such as prostitution. Black women and girls are also fetishized, and the media and popular culture add to the sexual objectification of minority youth, which then increases their vulnerability to sexual exploitation.
I know in my experience, I've heard another expert in this field talk about the pimps and traffickers they've worked with. They mentioned that the traffickers specifically target young Black girls because they know that if they're caught by law enforcement, they will receive a lesser punishment than if they had young white girls with them.
Black children are disproportionately overrepresented in child welfare. Once in the foster care system, Black foster care youth stay longer and are far less likely to be adopted. Foster kids are specifically targeted by pimps because no one will miss them.
Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for part 2.